I in the last part messed up on my heart, and all I did was rolled this part, or you could tape it on the back. And I am still sculpting. Right now I'm almost done. It's just that this part is very, very hard. Okay. See? There. And now all I have to do is let it dry and put my name on it. So let me go get a Sharpie. Okay, so I have a Sharpie. Well, actually, it is a pen, but I'm just going to write my heart on the top. So I have named it, and I will now let it dry for a few days. Do not microwave or bake. Only air dry. And if you haven't seen part 1 and you don't see it on my channel, I am so sorry it got corrupted. So I was using some salt, flour, and water, and 3 spoons, some paper tissues, because I needed it, and a sculpting material, and also this pen. So yeah, bye Panda fans!